Hello. Today, let's talk about something everyone has, a daily routine.
Yes, our daily habits shape our lives. Let's start from the morning. What do you usually do when you wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm clock.
Oh, I do the same. But sometimes I hit the snooze button and sleep for 5 more minutes.
Yes, the snooze button is so tempting. After I finally get up, I stretch a little and drink a glass of water.
That's healthy. I usually go straight to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Sometimes, yes. If I need extra energy, I take a quick shower. If not, I wait until evening.
After that, I prepare breakfast, usually something simple: toast, eggs, or cereal.
Breakfast is important. I like to eat fruit with yogurt and sometimes drink coffee or tea.
That sounds nice. While eating, I often check my phone, emails, messages, and news.
I also do that, but sometimes I try not to look at my phone right away. It's good to start the day calmly.
After breakfast, it's time to get ready for the day. I usually choose my clothes and get dressed.
Do you prepare your outfit the night before?
Not usually. I decide in the morning. How about you?
I sometimes plan ahead, especially if I have something important, like a meeting.
That makes sense. After dressing, I check my bag, laptop, notebook, water bottle.
I always carry headphones. I like listening to podcasts or music when I go out.
Do you usually leave the house or do you work from home?
I often work from home, but even then, I try to dress properly, not just stay in pajamas.
That's smart. It helps you feel more productive.
Exactly. And sometimes I write a short to-do list for the day.
Oh, I love to-do lists. They keep me organized.
Right. After that, I usually open my computer and check my calendar.
Before I start working, I like to make one more cup of coffee.
Coffee seems to be part of everyone's routine.
Now, let's talk about work or school routines. What's the first thing you do?
I start by checking emails and messages from colleagues.
Me too. But sometimes I feel like emails take too much time.
Yes, they can. I try to spend only 20 minutes reading and answering.
Good idea. After that, I focus on my main task of the day.
Do you work in silence or do you listen to music?
It depends. For writing, I prefer silence. For routine tasks, I like soft music.
I'm the same. Music helps me concentrate, but only if it's instrumental.
Do you take breaks often?
Yes, every hour I stand up, stretch, and drink water.
That's healthy. Sometimes I forget and sit for too long.
I used to forget too, but now I set reminders.
That's smart. I think breaks make us more productive. After a few hours of work, it's lunchtime. What's your usual lunch routine?
I try to eat something light but healthy. Maybe salad, rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Sounds nice. I usually cook pasta or sandwiches.
Do you eat alone or with family?
Mostly alone, but sometimes I eat with colleagues or friends.
When I work from home, I eat with my family. It's a good time to talk.
True. Lunch is not only about food, but also about connection.
Yes, and after eating, I sometimes take a short walk outside.
That's great. Fresh air helps you feel more awake.
Exactly. A short walk can give me new energy for the afternoon.
The afternoon is usually busy. What do you focus on after lunch?
I usually have meetings in the afternoon.
Online or in person?
Mostly online. We discuss projects and share updates.
I see. I usually spend afternoons finishing tasks, writing, editing, or research.
Do you feel more productive in the morning or afternoon?
Definitely in the morning. Afternoons are a little slower for me.
Same here. That's why I try to schedule creative tasks before lunch.
That's smart. After 3 p.m., I usually need another cup of coffee or tea.
Me too. A small break helps me stay focused until evening.
Do you exercise as part of your routine?
Yes, but not every day.
usually 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
Sometimes jogging, sometimes yoga.
Nice. I go to the gym twice a week for weight training.
Exercise is so important. It gives energy and reduces stress.
Absolutely. Even walking for 20 minutes makes a difference.
Some people exercise in the morning, others prefer evening. What about you?
I prefer evening. It helps me relax after work.
I like morning exercise. It makes the whole day feel better.
After work, the evening begins. How do you usually spend it?
I prepare dinner. Cooking is part of my routine.
What's your favorite dinner?
Maybe grilled fish with rice and vegetables.
That sounds delicious. I often make something quick, like noodles or soup.
After dinner, I watch TV or read a book.
I also watch a little TV. Sometimes I watch shows in English to practice.
Great idea. Entertainment plus learning.
Exactly. And if I have free time, I call friends or family.
Talking to loved ones is always nice.
Before bed, I prepare for the next day. Do you do that too?
Yes, I check my calendar and write tomorrow's tasks.
That helps reduce stress.
I also prepare my clothes for the morning.
That saves time. I sometimes forget and waste time choosing clothes.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Unfortunately, yes. I scroll through social media.
I try not to. Instead, I listen to calm music or read.
That's healthier. Let's talk about weekends. Do you follow the same routine?
Not exactly. I wake up later and enjoy a slow breakfast.
I also sleep more on weekends. No alarm clock.
I spend weekends cleaning the house, shopping, or visiting family.
Same here, but I also try to do hobbies, like painting or playing guitar.
That's great. Hobbies make life more balanced.
Yes, they do. So, daily routines are important, but they are different for everyone.
Yes, some routines are strict, others flexible.
The key is balance: work, rest, and fun.
Exactly. A good routine helps us feel productive and healthy.
And it also gives structure to our lives.
So, what's one thing you'd like to improve in your routine?
I like to exercise more regularly.
Same here. I'd also like to reduce screen time before bed.
That's a good goal.
Well, thank you for listening to our conversation about daily routines.
We hope it inspires you to reflect on your own habits.
See you next time.